Key High Love versus
Please
Majestic.
block all of these people who come and say me argue every day. Block them. Block everybody. Yes. First of all, guys, she have to say, she have to feel the place every day. You see how sensitive the situation is. You know that she wasn't supposed to stay at a hotel for this long. And let's be real, guys. A hotel is not to stay for too long. To pay a hotel something every night is too draining. She was supposed to stay there for 3 nights, 2 nights, and go back at the man yard, get her stuff them and try to stay somewhere. That was the plan. That was what I was explaining to her. Me no know if it's that she no want to leave or what. I know she no go back to police station. I know she no try to come up with an idea or a plan to try to go back to her things then, right? Remember, me go over there, people are drag me, she allow people to disrespect me until me pull up, but at the same time, me still a try to look out for her and something. Every single time this girl I go come and try to tear me down. So let me tell you the situation this morning will really trigger me when me notice, right? Yes, she want people to mine her. And that me realize. She want people to mine her, brother. God help those who help themselves, Virgin. God help those who help themselves. You say you have a man when not even take care and pick me. Not even take care and pick me. Not even a take care and pick me, brother. And people, woman, hardworking woman, are going to take out their money out of them pockets and help them. You're going to come on the internet and try to demonize them. You're going to try to demonize them, wicked girl. Eh? You're a wicked. I mean, I make you demonize me for this. Me now make you demonize me for this. Not at all. You don't know about Georgette now. I go up on Georgette live this morning, guys. And guys, sometimes I go up on people live, I just go tip them, go gift them. I don't know notice how me turn. I just go up on people live and gift. Right? I end up sending Georgette money the other day. And, you know, Georgette say she want Terry to talk. So me but my sister Terry, they on the live, so me go up and dinner and I try to give them little rose and something and rate. She and Georgette, Terry did a play match. First, it was Georgette, Terry, and Pretty Dan did a play match. One time, Pretty Dan did it on the live. We did a tip, Terry. Meanwhile, him and Pretty Dan did a play. And then she and the girl with the two people, them start play a match. Anyways, now, me go back on the page. Me come up and me go back and me see them a play match. But me still a tip Terry because at the end of the day, you know, that is just all me stay. Me not have nothing against this girl. You know, so the girl over the life and I want anybody where they dip on Georgette page could have hear all the girl over there create chaos and attack all sort of things, brother. Attack all sort of things. So till all the people them all say me mix up and me say, what did I do? I did not do nothing at all. Me no do nothing at all. Oh, if you say somebody against when me take up 40 bomber clad $1,000 out of my pocket, hey, wicked bomber clad girl, go say, hey, don't make me this kind of girl. You're so wicked. Hey. Girl, you're too wicked, brother. You're too wicked. You're a wicked blood clot, girl. You're wicked. Don't make me get dark on this, brother. Don't try come on that internet and come try demonize me. You're evil. You're dirty heart. You have a dirty man and all the people in my side for your bomber clad picking them, brother. You're too fucking wicked. You're a wicked girl. You know much things your mother tell me when me could I use it to try to say me now go do nothing for me still make up my mind say you have to get better but you don't want nothing for yourself or you walk so your mind dirty. Yes, so come beat me one time I say so. You gotta tell people say me a snipe against you and me against you when so much of my bomber clad followers them come and try to help you. And me never stop them from help you, Virgin. Me never stop nobody from help you. Look how much bomber clad people from the page come over there to come help you and shoot you and them something and send you gifts. And you really come and come try to bring me down and the people them must follow me. It's very wicked and evil. You're very wicked. You're not humble, brother. You don't have no humbleness in your heart. You don't have no gratitude. You don't have no gratitude at all, Virgin. Them say humble scare suck the most milk. And me learn that. You know, humble. I mean, when you try to come and go and like say me and you in a beef, because me and you wasn't friends like that. I was trying to assist you because, you know what, you have 2 kids, is a woman like me. So nobody come go on like say me and you was close and you know things about me and you come try to come demonize me like me do you something. I did not do you nothing at all. Don't try to demonize me. Not try to demonize me. Don't do that, carry on. You have my number. If you have a problem with me, call me from my phone and talk to me, brother. Not go on the internet and try to come tear me down. Don't do that. You have my number. Call me and say, Kyla, you know, say something to me and me don't like it or whatever it is. You have my number. Call me. Moderator no now work. Delete them people who talk about every day I come on social media. Delete them. Delete them. Delete, but block them on the people.